Welcome. If you want to add events to calendar in your ALCATEL X3 2019, for the first you have to enter the Google folder, then click on the calendar application. If you are opening it for the first time, you have to click on this arrow 2 times, then click on the Got It. Then just click on this switcher right here and choose the event, but you can also set the goal, reminder, whatever you want. So I pick the event, and right now we have to add the title. So mine will be Hard Reset. And when we scroll down, we can find here any other informations. We can add the location, we can also set the notification, you can set the time zone. If you do everything, just click on the save button right here in the right upper corner. And as you can see, here is our event. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.